Aisha, Otomo. Aisha, Otomo. My fine hours are princess.
Yeah, you make me shave the like stop this your tackle.
Aisha, see, I want us to play one game like that.
Oh, yeah. No.
Do you watch Nollywood?
What kind of question is this?
I know now because all these Hausa ladies, the only thing they watch is Jamina, all this Hollywood and Hollywood.
I know I feel that, I am not in Nigeria. I am in Nigeria. I watch every movie. So because you at line out say you don't watch Hollywood, Kokuma, Bollywood, Kokuma.
I watch Hollywood. I watch America. Okay, fine. Let's play a game. It is called guesswork game. I will do something. I will say something. You will guess the character. The person that plays the character in Nigerian movies well. You will guess the character. Okay, you get the game?
Wait, let me know that I get it. I do one kind. Like I'm mimicking for one. Then you will
character in Hollywood. Yes.
Okay. I will show you that.
So start.
I will show you that I watch Nigerian movie.
Okay. Start.
Okay, I start, manager.
Start.
I will confess. Don't kill me. I will confess. I killed your daughter. I told you not to marry that woman, and you marry her. I killed all your children.
Let me guess.
Yes.
She's a witch.
Yeah, I know.
Witch.
Continue.
She's black.
Yes, she is black. I know.
Ngozi is on.
No, Ngozi she's black.
Patience also, Mama G. That woman, I like her character very well.
She's very wicked.
She's a born athlete.
Yeah.
She's not wicked. She's playing wicked low. She's not wicked. Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. Mila Finanya. You see that your ways Ngatia. That land belongs to me. Or maybe not. Mila Finanya. Guess who?
And Pete Edotie.
Oh, I'm going to say a phone number. Guess who? Not Pete Edotie.
Mr. Ibu.
No. Igbo man from Enugu.
Chiwetulagu. I got it.
Come back. Yes, your turn.
Oh, my turn. Let me put myself on the character.
Okay.
Should do like this. Come back here. When I talk, you don't talk. I love you. I buy money. I buy shoe for you. I buy clothes for you, and you want to leave me? Come back here. I'm talking to you. Come back here. Don't do the character.
No. Who is the person?
But let me do it very well. Maybe I did not do it very well for you.
You don't do it very well.
Let me do it back. You should do like this. I said, come back here. I'm gonna strangle you. I'm talking to you. Come back here. And I'm talking to you. Come back here. I'm gonna fuck you up if you don't come back here.
No, so Diobi.
No. She's black. She's a black person. She's black.
Kenelis.
No, she's not.
Come back here, man. Oh, Jim Ike.
Yeah, she got it. Your turn.
Okay, my turn. I am your king. When I talk, you listen. My words are law.
king. She's king, go.
Always king, yes, yes. I will kill you. I am the king. Guess now.
She's Yoruba Olu Jacobs. She got.
Yes, Olu Jacobs. He the flaking well. He's a very good actor.
I remember him.
Oh yeah, your turn.
I do my own.
Yes, your turn.
Should do like this. Yeah, one to sacrifice your mother now. That woman had to go old. If you bring her 2 weeks ago, vam everywhere, money. Sacrifice her.
Is that all?
Yeah, mother.
Money sacrifice your mother.
Sacrifice your mother now. She's old. Every day, money. When you sacrifice her, money will come. Money will be flowing. Ego now everywhere.
Hey, your lady, that's your number one. Your lady, that's your number one. That's a question. One day, Baba say, "But I'm one. I am pure boy, Baba." That's a question. Okay. My turn.
Okay.
Hey. Nwata nwaanyị ife ibu n'ukwu ndị ọcha na-akpụ ya ipurukutu senkete imeremiri seketumpu. I want to enter into your and I'll follow because I want to incapacitate your ntoluntu. Who be that?
Gaskiya me, I don't know this person. You will be the one to tell me. Gaskiya, I don't know.
Your ugu is metallific sakotoli mekalewe. Who is the person?
You will tell me. I don't know the person.
Sam Loco. Sam Loco.
Then he's so arrested in
Okay,
Mexico.
see, amen. See this last one now.
Oh, yeah,
if you get
last
it,
one.
I'll tell you airtime. This last one.
Yeah, time. Talk it right here.
Ọmọ abẹ́sẹ̀ ndị ala, nwanne ime ndị agụ, nwanne ife adịsị you, nwanne ime ndị agụ ozugbo, ọmọ abẹ́sẹ̀ ndị ala, nwanne ime ndị agụ ozugbo. Who is the person?
I don't know this man.
Zubi Michael.
I don't know.
Bye. I don't win you. I
know you don't want to send me airtime. That is why you gave me one hard one.
Is it like I will not send the airtime. You don't get it. Bye.
Bye.
Aisha, Otomo, Aisha, Otomo. My tamamu,
Bye.
MC never prays.